If you are going to the Lugaris Beach Apartments in Barcelona, this video is for you. In this video, I will do a straightforward review of these apartments, what is around it, what's inside it, all the amenities with my honest opinion. So without any wait, this is Azim, your DC travel guide. Let's start the video. All right, so I just checked in Lugaris Beach Apartments. They have 4 buildings, I think. And I'm in 45A. So they're saying you use the silver key to enter it with. So yeah, it opens. And then I have the family apartment, which is 5th floor, room number 2. So I'm also going here for the first time. So we're gonna discover this together. They have a lot of mailboxes here if you want. But let's press 0 again. Okay, that's how the lift is. Number 5. It closes. So basically, Lugaris Beach Apartments are part of the Lugaris group. The main reason I chose this is most of the people actually come to Barcelona. They get hostels and everything. But when you're coming with a family, hotels and hostels, so are not so. I mean, it depends where you're living or how old are your kids. My kids are not that big, so we actually go for these apart hotels. When I was in Paris, I also went for those. And this is 5.2. So he said, do it like this vertically. You open this. That was easy. Let's explore this together. So normally they take 200 euros for a deposit as well. They didn't take anything from me, but that can be. The check-in is at 3 p.m. and you check out at 11, I think. And they said that, just behave. It's in their terms and conditions. So that's the kitchen. It's fully equipped. Comes with some coffee pods. Oh my god, you have everything inside. Things you can cook. My wife will be happy. Towels, glasses, and this is the fridge. Oh my god, and a freezer. That's super cool. So they don't want you to make a mess. A lot of people get confused with these apart hotels. Oh yeah, everything's there. Everything is there. A lot of people get, and I'm pretty sure that's the dishwasher. Yep, that's the dishwasher. It comes with this welcome pack. I'm not sure what it is. What we did was that we already stopped in the supermarket and we got our stuff. Let's close this guy. That's your phone. That's the emergency exit. So when you enter, you have the living room with the TV and a nice place to sit with the baby chair as well. That's bedroom number 1 with 2 twin beds, a cupboard. And she was saying we have the side view, so I guess we're looking at the buildings. And then we'll go to the bathrooms afterwards. That's bedroom number 2. And then we have the baby crib as well, so that's perfect. So you have 2 bedrooms. Then you got the cupboards. What do we have in the cupboard? So we have a safe. We have hangers. And some extra pillows. What else? Do we get an iron? We get an iron, guys, and an iron board. That's perfect. This is cool. So in general, this big one is costing me around 200 euros per day in the month of April. So your mileage might be different. You might get a different price. So this is the entrance. And how do you turn this on? Yep. All right. So that's number 1. And that's number 2. So when you enter, this is the entrance. You have 2 glass doors, and you have toilet number 1 with a shower and a toilet, and that's toilet number 2. In other hotels, similarly, they have ritual sets, but these are, you know, towels and everything is set. You have towels there. It's fully stacked. So normally I get for hotels like around 100-ish euros per day. This is a little more luxury, but there's a reason for it, and I will show you when I go to the swimming pool. Yeah, before we go to the swimming pool, I forgot to tell you, this sofa bed is also, this sofa is also a sofa bed, so 2 people can sleep here. So in totality, you have 2 here, 2 there, and then you also have 2 here, which is cool. You got the crib as well, so I mean they say 5 people, but yeah, 7 or 6 adults and a kid can come. Perfect. Now let's check out the swimming pool. So on the 5th floor, we have the swimming pool, which is open from 9 to 8:45. It's a kids area, high, low. And then that's the beach. And we've got the pool. Forgot to tell you, behind these doors, you also have a washing machine, which I think you can only clean with. And to dry stuff, you have. So since these are just apartments, you have so much stuff. I forgot to show you that you have the toaster, kettle, and all of these things. So it's a full-fledged kitchen. Hence, there's no restaurant here. Whatever you need to make, you need to make it here. We already got some groceries, so that's, understood. All in all, I really like these apartments. Just see what budget you have, so what you can choose. But all in all, you have my recommendation. So that's the end of the video. If anyone from Lugaris wants to collaborate and wants me to review other apartments as well, you can contact me on Instagram, or you have my social handles in the description. Leave a comment. And for anyone else, you can also see other videos as well on my channel covering other hotels in the world. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is Azim, your travel guide. Until the next video, peace out.